In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-signature using Canva. Creating a personalized e-signature can save you time and add a professional touch to your digital documents. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Canva website. If you don't already have Canva bookmarked, just type canva.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Canva is a fantastic tool, not only for creating e-signatures, but for all sorts of design projects, thanks to its intuitive interface and wide range of features. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already a Canva user, it's free to sign up and quite straightforward. But assuming you have an account, just click on the Login button at the top right corner, enter your details, and you're ready to go. Now, in Canva, you can either start fresh with a new design or jump into a previous project if you have one that you'd like to add your signature to. For the purpose of keeping things simple, we're going to explore using a previous design. It's particularly handy to have one open if you want to see how the signature will look in a real-world context right away. To add your signature, start by clicking on the Apps option, typically found in the left sidebar. Canva has a bunch of integrations worth checking out, but today we're focused on one called CanSign. It's specifically designed for this purpose and can help you achieve a great result with minimal fuss. In the search bar that appears at the top, type in CanSign. As you see the result pop up, click on it. This will bring up the CanSign app, where you'll actually create your signature. Here comes the fun part. You'll see a clear space where you can draw your signature. Take your time to create something that reflects your true signature style. If you're using a touchscreen or a stylus, this can give you a bit more control for precision. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, you'll see an option to Add to Design. It really is as easy as clicking a button, and there you have it. Your freshly made e-signature is now part of your design and ready for use across all your documents. If at any point you want to go back and adjust your signature or try a different style, you can simply repeat these steps. Canva saves your past work, making it a breeze to fine-tune your creations. So go ahead, explore, customize, and make your digital signature truly yours. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva.